Today I am reviewing GTPLAYER Gaming Chair. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When you spend hours in front of a computer gaming or working, your chair directly impacts how your back and neck feel at the end of the day. Today, we are taking an honest look at the GTPLAYER Gaming Chair with an included footrest and lumbar support, specifically in the Pearl White Edition. This chair targets users who want that classic racing style look paired with practical features like a retractable leg rest, a heavy-duty frame, and adjustable support pillows. If you want to check out the current pricing or grab one for your setup, the direct product links are located right below this video in the description area. The gaming chair market is incredibly crowded, with options ranging from high-end luxury models to cheap alternatives that fall apart after a few months. Visually, this GTPLAYER chair stands out immediately with its high-contrast pearl white polyurethane synthetic leather. It looks incredibly clean and brings a modern, sleek aesthetic to a home office or gaming room. However, anyone choosing a white chair needs to keep the practical realities in mind. Synthetic leather is easy to wipe down with a microfiber cloth when accidents happen, but white material naturally shows dirt, denim dye transfer, and pet hair much faster than darker colors, requiring a bit more regular maintenance. One major point in this chair's favor is its structural stability. Many budget gaming chairs cut costs by using plastic or nylon bases, which can warp or crack over time under heavy use. GTPLAYER uses a rugged built-in metal frame and matches it with a solid metal 5-star base. This structural upgrade ensures that the chair feels firmly anchored to the floor. Whether you're leaning back or your pets are jumping up on the seat, the frame resists the wobbling and creaking that common plastic-based chairs often develop. The cushioning itself leans on the firmer side, featuring high-density foam supported by an internal frame made with Forest Stewardship Council certified wood. When you first sit down, you will notice it does not have that plush, cloud-like sinking feeling of a standard office chair. Instead, it offers a highly structured, supportive seat pan designed to keep your posture aligned and prevent you from bottoming out during long sessions. While this firmness is excellent for long-term spinal support, it might require a brief break-in period if you strictly prefer a very soft, heavily padded seat. For ergonomics, the chair relies on a removable headrest pillow, a customizable lumbar cushion, and padded armrests. The headrest helps catch your neck when you lean back, reducing upper shoulder fatigue. The lumbar support pillow can be adjusted vertically, which is crucial since everyone's spine curve sits at a different height. Additionally, the armrests feature thick padding from the elbow to the wrist, which is a massive upgrade over hard plastic alternatives. However, the armrests are fixed laterally, so if you need highly adjustable 4-dimensional armrests that twist and slide to match a specific ergonomic keyboard tray, this simpler layout might feel slightly restrictive. The integrated retractable footrest is one of the biggest selling points for casual use. Built on dual metal rails beneath the seat, it allows you to pull the pad out, flip it over, and recline the backrest into a lounging position. It transforms the workstation into an excellent spot for console gaming with a controller or watching videos. Just keep in mind that the footrest is designed exclusively to support the weight of your legs. Putting full body weight on it or letting heavy pets use it as a step could bend the guide rails. Tall users should also note that the extension length is optimized for average heights, so your feet might overhang slightly if you have very long legs. The mechanical adjustments work smoothly, featuring a standard tilt lock that secures the backrest at steep reclining angles and a reliable gas lift for height customization. Assembly takes about 20 to 40 minutes using the included instructions and hex wrench. It is a straightforward process, though having a second person hold the backrest in place while you align the primary bolts makes the job much easier. There are two main drawbacks to consider before buying. First, because the exterior is solid PU leather rather than mesh, it tends to trap body heat. If you live in a hot climate or work in a warm room, you may experience some heat buildup during extended sessions. Second, the racing-style side bolsters on the seat pan restrict the usable width. If you like to sit cross-legged or have a particularly broad frame, these firm ridges might press against your thighs, making the chair best suited for users who prefer sitting with their legs facing straight forward. Ultimately, The GTPLAYER Gaming Chair is an excellent fit for students, remote workers, and gamers of average build who want a stylish, stable desktop seat without spending a fortune. Its metal base, versatile footrest, and clean design offer great value for daily use. If you want to check the current pricing or explore the details further, be sure to take a look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next review.